Som sir, Mithai ma'am took him inside and is explaining all the things in her own way. Then what will we do? We don't have any value.
All your confectioners must quit their job before this celebration. This is my mom's idea.
You all leave the job together. Let's see what Madam does. Let's see how she explains it to Grandpa. And really, why would you guys work under that girl? You guys have no shortage of work.
Actually, we couldn't say anything to Siddheshwar sir. But Som sir, let me tell you very clearly. If she does any mistake, then we won't be responsible for that. This festival will be a flop.
Rasamai! Rasamai, we are going as my driver has come to pick me. But I have one regret. I can't do it by myself. Listen, together you guys will make the Bengali festival celebration a success. I've sent my representative. I want people to eat sweets and say it was awesome.
They will surely say, grandfather, whatever happens, we can't defame you. What say, uncle? Grandfather, the car has come. Let me see you off. Come on.
Let's
Uncle,
go.
you all go to the kitchen. I'm coming. Grandfather, I don't understand why Uncle Rasmai and others don't like me.
Oh, come on. Don't think about it. Our business's main motto is quality. I know. You can do it. Sushma, tonight cook something light for dinner. Mithai will return late. I have to send someone to pick her up. I'll send Amu.
I'm not sure if you did the right thing by entrusting Mithai with such a huge responsibility. If she makes the slightest mistake, Somu will finish that girl.
You are correct, Mom. The girl will work hard and then she will have to listen to taunts. I don't like this, Dad. I feel very bad.
I know, Appa, I know. But do you know that there are many difficulties in the life of girls like Mithai? They have to work very hard. Actually, they have to prove themselves. How long will she keep listening to people's taunts? But yes, you can say this is her exam. If she can successfully pass this exam of organizing the sweets, then I will not listen to anyone. I will ask Mithai to take over the quality control division. All the sweets will be prepared according to her and our business too will run according to her. I have only one regret, that I am unable to educate her. Okay, I'll look into it after the festival.
Dad? Here you are. Dad, the one on whom you trust so much, what she has done today, listen to it.
What is the matter, Amrish?
Opa, there's a big problem in the base kitchen. Mithai, come here, come here. Please come here. See, there is nothing to be scared of. Tell Grandpa. Tell what has happened.
What has happened? Somrish? What happened? Why are you shouting? Mithai? What happened? Why are you crying?
Ask her to stop her crocodile tears. I'm out of my mind. After what she has done, my mind has stopped working, Dad.
I can't understand what has happened. Will someone please explain me what is the matter? Shom, you tell me what happened at the factory.
Uncle Rasmai and others have left the job together. They told us that the way Mithai has behaved with them after that, it's impossible for them to work with Siddheshwar Modak.
What are you saying? I personally went and spoke to them in the morning. I explained everything to them. Festival is around the corner. Amu, didn't you talk to them personally?
Dad, I spoke to them. I was doing this all this while. Actually, they are hurt by Mithai's behavior, Dad. Now they won't return even if we remove Mithai from the business. I just can't understand what to do now.
She's just a chit of a girl. She thinks she's so smart, and look what has happened. They have been preparing sweets for years. They must have some knowledge about making sweets. And you, Dad, you just can't see her mistakes. What was meant to happen, happened.
Mithai, don't cry. Mithai, don't cry. Shri, please console Mithai.
I only told
Hey,
Rasma
Mithai.
uncle that the cottage
Please
cheese
don't cry.
that comes, we can't prepare sweets out of it for Halkata. Trust me, grandfather, cottage cheese isn't of good quality. We can't prepare Indian sweet with that cottage cheese. How could we have prepared sweet with bad quality cottage cheese and given it to the people? Tell me, grandfather.
But what was the need to tell them all of this? What do you think of yourself, the owner? And tell me, why didn't you tell Uncle? Don't you have this much sense?
Grandfather, I could not understand. That simple feedback could upset my uncle and his team. I did not understand.
Dad, actually, the matter is there is a clash of egos. I think they are not able to tolerate Mithai's fame anymore. And Mithai, seriously, you could have been a bit careful while talking to them. That's it.
Uncle, actually, I really could not understand. There have been several occasions when my uncle and his team did not like my feedback. But I never thought that they will leave the job all of a sudden. I could never have imagined this, uncle.
Why will you think so? For you, this family business is just a ladder to reach high. Why should you be affected by losses?
Grandfather, this is not true. I did not do it purposely.
Who will believe you now? The Agarwals are ready to spoil our business. And what is the guarantee you don't have any deal with the Agarwals?
Samresh, what are you even talking? Does Mithai come across as such a person? You have lost your mind. Just be quiet. What a shame.
I don't think this Mithai is simple and straight. Hey, girl, you go out of this house now. We will manage our profit and losses, and Mom and Dad, I'm telling you, please don't stop her. She's responsible for all of this. Our name, fame, and business, everything will come to an end on this. And Dad, let me tell you this. If you try to stop her, then I will be the first person to leave this house. Dad, you are responsible for all of this.
Somu, what are you saying? Please calm down. Listen, do something. Say something.
No, Mom. First, this girl will leave this house, and then we will decide what to do. I just can't tolerate her anymore.
Someresh!
Listen,
Dad,
what,
Dad.
Grandfather, what happened?
Grandfather. Everything happened because of me, grandfather. And I should not have spoken to my uncle and his team, isn't it? I should have kept quiet. I could have made the cottage cheese separately, auntie. Grandfather, if my leaving helps, then I will leave, grandfather. I will leave. I will not stay here. Grandfather, trust me. I could never have imagined that something so disastrous can happen. I did not understand, grandfather. I
Siddharth, I will not say anything. Many people have gotten into trouble because they took my advice. So it is better for me to stay quiet. If all of you all really have so many issues with Mithai, then do what you guys think right.
Mithai, wait, where are you going?
Wait. Where are you going? Don't go overboard, have you understood? Come inside. Come. Grandpa. Grandpa. What's going on here? Why are you all shouting so much? The sweet makers are gone. Basically, all we need is a solution to this, right? Sir, I want to say something. Look, I don't want to get into this crap, but I have to get into this matter. Tell me one thing. Sir, who sent Mithai for work without understanding the sentiments of Shom? Please tell me. You, sir. So today when the employees aren't accepting her, it means that you cannot refuse to take responsibility for your decision.
What did you say? What did you say? Are you trying to blame me? Me? I gave her an opportunity just because of Dad's experience.
Didn't you get anything from it? Why are you quiet? Tell me.
Of course, we benefited. After a long time, Siddheshwar Modak earned profit.
Sir, when a person takes charge of the department, that person should be allowed to work in his or her style. I mean, that's the corporate rule. Yeah, at times, certain situations get out of hand, but that's everyone's responsibility. You cannot blame any one person, sir. Today, had your employees really benefited from their job at Siddheshwar Modak, they would have thought twice before leaving this job. I'm sure their salaries are very low. They do not get any facilities. Today I saw for myself. The entire company is responsible for this incident. Grandpa, please order sweets from outside and manage this function. We can discuss this later, please. There's always a circus on in this house, but no one ever has the solution to any problem. Disgusting.
It doesn't make any sense for me to stay in this house anymore, Dad. I am leaving.
Samaresh, listen. Samaresh, don't walk away like this. All of us are in trouble. You have to keep your head cool at this time, please.
I cannot keep my head cool, Amu. Please let me. Let me leave for the time being. You see how you can solve this situation. Dad's dearest grandson just suggested a solution. We will buy sweets from a different shop for Modak family's function. I don't know. I just don't know.
Shom,
Yes, uncle.
you don't have anything to say? How can we resolve this situation? Please say something.
Uncle, what can I say in this matter? There's no solution. There will be no solution. I will call the Agrawals in few days and hand over the shop to them.
Hello, Uncle. Are Uncle Madan and Uncle Kanai from Chennai available before the Halkata? We are in big trouble. I need to meet them urgently.
Will confectioners come here from Junai? Yes. Yes, this is possible.
Yes. Uncle, talk to them. I'll hang up. No. Listen. We must prepare a sweet. We must win, Uncle. I will not accept defeat at any cost. We must win, Uncle. I cannot accept defeat. Grandfather, I don't know if the chefs from the Chunai will come, but my uncle and Gulati are on their way. Come what may, we must prepare the sweets. We will celebrate Siddheshwara's sweet halkata in a grand fashion.
Mithai, I was waiting for this moment. All of us will help. We'll do whatever we can. Hola party. Are we in?
Yes!
Yes, I will also help to make the sweets. Sushma, you must also assist me. Kuki and Amu, we will make sweets together.
Yes.
Grandpa, why are you inviting a disaster? You need 10,000 pieces of sweets. 10,000, right? It's not a matter of joke.
Grandpa, I think Siddharth is right. I mean, what is the point in doing something so foolish?
We don't know if we'll benefit or lose, Shom. But I'm very excited.
Yes.
Yes.
Me too. Hey Sandeep,
Yes.
sing that song. That one? The one that talks about winning.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
Seriously, Shri? Will you sing now?
Grandfather, please say thank you to your grandson. Thank you for not allowing me to leave. Actually, Mita has never run away from her responsibility, but was running away today. Anyway, your angry grandson stopped me from running away. And now that Mithai did not run away, she will win. All of us will fight a battle today. Hey Lord, we must win!
Yay! 1 minute.
– 2011, 2012, 2014.
Hey Mithai, count it faster.
I have no patience. I will count these and you count those.
Okay, then I will count those.
On what have you all started? Mithai is already counting. The girl stayed up all night to prepare sweets. I'm telling you, she has made 10,000 pieces.
So you really think there are 10,000 pieces? Because I don't think so.
Oh no, we have less. We have invited so many people. There have to be 10,000 pieces.
2031, 2050. Oh dear, Mithai is getting confused because of you all. I came to 2050 from 2032. And then you will say, Mithai, nonsense. Oof dear, thank God, Mr. Bittergod is not here. Hey,
Okay,
Lord.
listen, I have an half an hour gap before I write the next scene. So tell me what help do you need? I'll do it. Whatever you say.
You don't have to do anything. Stand here quietly.
Listen, I suggest...
No one will say anything. Mithai, count the sweets.
Yes.
Hey Mithai, how many sweets could you make?
Hey, we have 10,000 pieces, right?
No, grandfather. 5,000.
Huh? 5,000? Oh no. What will happen now? I have invited so many people, I said with such a loud voice that during this year's festival, I will present Bengali's traditional sweet. So what will happen now?
Oh Dad, Really, what will happen now? No, I mean, if Samaresh finds out, he will create a ruckus.
Then there is no need to make the boxes. Just stop it.
No, how can we do that, grandfather? Oh, grandfather, we have invited everyone. Everyone will come for the hull cutter. We have promised to treat everyone to sweet, grandfather. What will happen now?
I don't know, Mithai. I'm also at loss.
Oh dear. Why are you giving up so easily? I'm telling you, we will surely find a solution.
Oh, come on. What solution? What solution do you have? Tell me. We will give one piece of sweet in each box? No. What a shame.
Hey, wait. Hello?
Happy New Year, Uncle!
Mr. Agarwal?
Yes. You are absolutely right. I heard that many people are coming for your event. Is it right? And all your workers have resigned from work, so how will you manage? What actually happened, huh? By the way, is your genius daughter-in-law Mithai doing everything?
Have you called to sprinkle salt on my wounds?
No. What are you saying? I'm your friend. I'm a well-wisher. I'm in vicinity. I'm coming to your house soon. I'm bringing sweets for you. This time, giveaway sweets from Agrawal.
Listen,
What is it, grandfather?
I never thought I will see this day. Can't we do something about it, Mithai?
What happened, grandfather?
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year!